Yo guys, today we're doing something crazy. I'm literally copying thumbnails from 4 popular creators, Mr. Beast, Dream, PewDiePie, and 𝑽𝒊𝒅𝒆𝒐, and uploading them into Nano Banana Pro with my face added to see if AI can make them cinematic. Let's go! Okay, I'm literally copying Mr. Beast's thumbnail. Let's see what AI does with this. Take this thumbnail and transform it into a cinematic 4K movie poster. Keep the original composition and vibe, but add the uploaded face realistically. Enhance lighting, shadows, depth, vibrant colors. Keep the original feel, but upgrade to cinematic epicness. Whoa, check this out! My face blended perfectly, and Nano Banana Pro turned it into a dramatic cinematic poster. Next up, copying Dream's thumbnail. Smirk. Hope AI doesn't mess this up. Transform this thumbnail into a cinematic 4K style poster. Add the uploaded face realistically into the scene. Keep original elements. Maintain original composition while making it look like a professional movie poster. Yo, look at this! My face in Dream's thumbnail now looks like a full-on movie poster. The background feels alive and the text perfect. Alright, PewDiePie time. Literally copying his thumbnail now. Cool. Upgrade this thumbnail into a cinematic 4K movie-style image. Integrate the uploaded face seamlessly with proper lighting and perspective. Enhance character focus, cinematic lighting, background depth, and textures. Add glowing text and dramatic color tones while keeping the original thumbnail feel. No way! My face blended here looks insane! PewDiePie's thumbnail now feels Netflix-level cinematic. AI really knows how to pop characters and drama. Finally, 𝒊𝒅𝒆𝒐. Let's see if AI can make this text-style thumbnail cinematic. Smirk. Convert this thumbnail into a cinematic 4K poster. Replace with the uploaded face in a realistic, high-quality way. Keep original style, enhance shadows, lighting, color contrast, depth, and cinematic blur. Make text bold and glowing, maintaining original composition, but elevating to movie poster level. Whoa, check this! My face in 𝒊𝒅𝒆𝒐's thumbnail looks epic. AI added depth, glowing highlights, and movie poster vibes. Looks insanely professional. Guys, look at the difference. Original versus Nano Banana Pro with my face added. Which one blew your mind? Comment below. So that's it. 4 thumbnails, 4 cinematic transformations with my face, all thanks to Nano Banana Pro. Hit like, subscribe, and let me know which one looked the most epic.